Hello, Teddy wanted to dress up like one of Marge's monster friends today, so she's made her very own monster hat. Would you like to make one too? To make a monster party hat, you will need a toy to dress up, an A4 piece of coloured card, a pen and pencil, scissors, 2 pipe cleaners, a piece of elastic, sellotape, glue and a stapler, a large round object, and I've just used some eye stickers, but you could just draw them on. We want to make a semicircle, which is a circle cut in half. So place your bowl or your large round object so half of it is on the card and the other half is off the paper. And draw around the semicircle on the card. There we have it. Then cut out your semicircle. Take both ends of your semicircle and fold one on top of the other. Then tape together at the join. Now we're going to make our monster face. You can come up with your own monster face, but I would like mine to have 3 eyes like Mel's from our Marge monster story. I want my monster to have a pink wiggly mouth. I'm going to draw this on with a pen. I'm going to give my monster a nice big pink round nose. I'm going to glue that on. Okay, to turn this into a working hat, place one end of your elastic to one end of your toy's ear and then measure around. I'm going to ask an adult to cut my elastic to size. This is the fiddly part, so you might want to ask an adult to help. With some sellotape, tape one end of your elastic to the inside of your hat, and then take your other end of elastic to the other side. Tape that in place too. This makes it easier to staple in place. Finally, my monster is going to have hair. So with my 2 bits of pipe cleaner, I'm going to wrap them together in the middle so they join up. Now I'm going to poke my hair inside the hole at the top of my hat and style my monster hair. And there you go, your very own monster hat. Teddy, you look great! What an amazing monster hat! I wonder what your monster hats are going to look like. Have fun making! Bye!
Here's a monster